It would be very helpful if you first try to solve the problem yourself before watching this video.
Question 35. We have limit as x approaches 4, x plus 4 over x squared minus 8x plus 16. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to substitute 4 for x in this expression right here. We have a 4 plus 4 in our numerator that is equal to 8, which is not equal to 0. Denominator, we have a 4 squared minus 8 times 4 plus 16. So that's 16 minus 32 plus 16, which is equal to 0, right? Okay, if the only denominator is equal to 0, that means we have a vertical asymptote at x equal 4, right? So let's simplify this expression right here. That is equal to limit as x approaches 4, numerator x plus 4, denominator, that's actually what? X minus 4 square, perfect square, right? So we have vertical asymptote at x equal 4. Here that's 4, x-axis, y-axis. So the function, this function value actually approaches either positive infinity or negative infinity as x approaches 4 from left hand side, right? Also, as x approaches 4 from right hand side, the function either approaches positive infinity or negative infinity, right? So we're gonna test this. Let x is equal to, let's say, as x approaches 4 from left hand side, let's say this value is 3.9. If x is 3.9, this value is 7.9, right? It's positive, right? Okay, here, denominator, 3.9 minus 4, that's negative 0.1, but it's a square. We have a square here. That's a positive also, right? Positive 0.01, right? Positive over positive is what? It's positive. We don't have to find exact value of this when we substitute 3.9 for x. We don't need the exact value, okay? All we need is we have to know if it's a positive or a negative. That's what we have to know, okay? So as x approaches 4 from left hand side, you know, this whole expression, whole value is positive. So it approaches positive infinity like that, right? What about from right hand side? Right hand side, let's substitute a little greater than 4. So 4.1, I guess. 4.1 for x. Okay, 4.1 plus 4, that's also positive, right? 4.1 minus 4, that's 0.1. 0.1 square is also positive. Again, positive over positive, right? So that's positive. So from right hand side, the function approaches positive infinity. Like that, right? So from left hand side, the function approaches positive infinity. From right hand side, also the function approaches positive infinity. So the answer is what? Positive infinity. All right?